How to turn off Reels on Facebook. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can do so or not. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, open up the Facebook application. And once we open it up, we can find a reel in our feed. So Facebook currently does not let you disable reels completely. So you can greatly reduce or hide them using these methods instead. So once you open up Facebook, what you can do is you can find reel in your feed. So go ahead and find the reel. For example, let's say this is the one, and you can tap on the three dot and that will open up this options. You can look out for the option called hide reel or show lace. So go ahead and tap on that option and Facebook will start showing fewer reels over the time. And instead of the home button, you can just go over and select feeds. So open up the menu in the top left. And here, if you have feed option, you can tap on that feed option and that will show you more regular posts and fewer recommended reels. Many users have reported that this one works better. And also you can turn off autoplay. So in Facebook, you can go to the menu, select settings and privacy, and tap on settings. After that, you can just go over and look out for the option called media, tap on it. And here choose the option for never autoplay videos. So go ahead and find autoplay in feed and stories. You can select the option for never, and that way should we do it. And apart from that, you can use Facebook on browser or desktop. The desktop version focuses on less reels than the mobile application, and that's it. So that is it, everybody. This is the current alternative available since there is not a direct button yet. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.